once you have inserted your USB drive or your SD card, we're going to go into our management functions. So we're going to go to operator function. Then we're going to type in our password, and the factory password is 6 fives. And then once we're in our management functions menu, we're going to go to system setup. Then we're going to go to system control. And then from there, we're going to go to software update. And then we're going to go to whatever one you're using. So we're using a USB, so we're going to go to USB software update. And then it's going to ask you if you want to update. We're going to say yes. And then it's going to load. And then while this is happening, do not remove the SD card or the USB drive. And right here are our photos. And then it's going to reboot up. And once it boots up, we can enable our graphics.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.